Well, here it is, a groove slightly transformed, just a bit of a break from the norm, just a little something to break the monotony of all that hardcore dance that has gotten to be a little bit out of control. It's cool to dance, but what about the groove that soothes the mood romance? Now give me a soft, subtle mix, and if it ain't broke, then don't try to fix it. And think of the summers of the past, adjust the bass and let the alpine blast. Pop in my CD, let me run a rhyme and put your car on cruise, lay back, cause it's the summertime.
Summer, summer, summertime. Time to sit back and unwind. Summer, summer, summertime. Time to sit back and unwind.
School is out and it's sort of a bug. Back then I didn't really know what it was, but now I see what have of this. The way that people respond to summer madness. The weather is hot, girls are dressing less, and checking out the fellas to tell them who's best. Riding around in your Jeep or your Benzo, or in your Nissan sitting in Lorenzo's. Back in Philly we be out in the park. Place called the Plateau is where everybody go. Guys out hunting and girls doing likewise, honking at the honey in front of you with the light eyes. You turn around and see what you're beeping at. It's like the summer's a natural aphrodisiac. Now I'ma compose this rhyme to hit you and get you equipped for the summertime.
Summer, summer, summertime. Time to sit back and unwind. Summer, summer, summertime. Time to sit back and unwind.
It's late in the day and I ain't been on the court yet. I hustle to the mall to get me a short set. Yeah, I got on sneaks, but I need a new pair, cause basketball courts in the summer got girls there. The temperature's about 88. I hop in the water plug just for old time's sake. Break to your crib, change your clothes once more, cause you're invited to a barbecue that's starting at 4. Sitting with your friends as y'all reminisce about the days growing up and the first person you kissed. And as I think back, makes me wonder how the smell from a grill could spark up nostalgia. All the kids playing out front, little boys messing around with the girls playing double dutch, while the DJ's spinning a tune as the old folks dance at your family reunion. And then 6 o'clock rolls around, you just finished wiping your car down. It's time to cruise, so you head to the summertime hangout. It looks like a car show. Everybody come looking real fine, fresh from the barbershop or fly from the beauty salon. Every moment frontin' and maxing, chillin' in the car to spend all day waxing. Leaning to the side, cause you can't speed through 2 miles an hour so everybody sees you. There's an air of love and of happiness, and this is the Fresh Prince new definition of summer madness.
Summer, summer, summertime.